Hey, what's going on, guys? Chad with Flatline here, and today we're here to talk about the Flatline Fiber Co. and Kinetic Consulting Practical Individual Medical Pouch, aka the P.I.M.P. So the P.I.M.P. is a individual first aid kit that's designed to be mounted horizontally on a belt. However, given the size of this pouch and just how convenient it is, you can throw it in a book bag or keep it in a car. So it's just a super convenient kit to keep on you. Going over a couple key features of this is how it can be mounted. This one here is mounted on a belt using Velcro one wrap. The one wrap does come with the P.I.M.P. If you desire to use it to mount it, but you can mount it using malice clips or molly straps or whatever you want to call them. On the back here using the laser cut molly, you also have two laser cut belt loops here, so you can pass a belt through it and direct mount it as well. So those are your mounting options for this. On the front of it, you see you have a Med ID patch. The P.I.M.P. does come with a Med ID patch, but this one here has one of our glow-in-the-dark inserts that you can add on when you purchase this. It comes in 4 different colors. You can change it out to whatever colors you desire, but it does come with the patch, but not the insert. Looking at on the outside of this thing, some features of it. On the bottom, you'll see there's 3 pieces of Velcro one wrap, and that's so you can open this thing up and adjust it larger or smaller depending on the contents that you have inside of the pouch, so that the external shell stays nice and tight on the pouch. And you also have more adjustability on the top with elastic shock cord. So that's going to help add even more tension to the inside of the pouch, and it's going to be, again, adjustable to set that load for the pouch. You can check out one of our other videos on exactly how to set up the tension and load this thing out properly. But the shock cord is super nice because if the shock cord wears out, it's user replaceable. You can order some more shock cord, replace it. This thing's going to last a lifetime with our lifetime warranty, of course, as well. You can see here that the P.I.M.P. has 2 handles on the outside, one on the left and one on the right, and that's because it can be deployed from the left side or the right side, ambidextrous. So I'll go ahead and deploy that and pull it out. As you can see, this one is leashed together with a piece of gutted 550 cord. That's an option. You can leash these 2 together if you desire. On the back of the internal pouch, you have trauma shears. We wanted the trauma shears to go with the internal pouch because that's going to be what's carrying all of our contents. And really, one of the first things that you might want to do is remove some clothing, so you're going to need these trauma shears. So that's why they go with the internal pouch. You pop this thing open, and you're going to have 2 compartments. One here is going to hold all of your main medical contents. You can buy the loadout for these contents on our website. You can add it to the pouch when you check out on our website. And then down here, you have a small pocket for a pair of gloves. And really, that is about it. This thing is just super convenient. It's exactly what we wanted. It's just going to carry just the essentials, but that's going to keep the profile nice and small. I hope I covered everything for you guys. If you have any questions, drop it down below in the comment section, and you can find the P.I.M.P. at flatlinefiberco.com.